Hi everybody and welcome back to another Acti video. In today's video, I'm going to be replacing my old crusty dusty lock cylinder with a brand new lock cylinder. So let's get started. So I've removed part of the steering block car column plastics. There's 4 Phillips head screws on there, and then you can kind of wedge it out. So now we'd stick our key into the on, and you can see mine is pretty sticky. It doesn't like to turn, but there it is. And then there should be somewhere to stick, there's a little like button basically you would stick, and then it should theoretically pop out. Okay, so there was a teeny little screw on the side here we have to remove first. Got it. Okay, I just sprayed some electronic cleaner in this here barrel. It definitely needed to be cleaned. It was pretty gnarly in there. I was gonna see about taking these back screws out here and just removing this entire piece so we can spray some cleaner in here directly, clean that out. Okay. Okay. Hopefully we can clean this out. And these connection points within here. As you can see, there's quite a bit of metal contacts in here that don't look the best, so we're gonna clean those up. I think I got majority, if not all of it, off. That should be making a really solid connection. The next thing I'm going to do is spray some of this lock dry lube inside of this barrel here. Moving piece in there that I want to make sure is lubed up and operating to the best of its ability. Okay, so in the bag you get 2 keys and the lock cylinder itself. And I think this ran me about 35 bucks. I want to quickly go over this portion. I'm having to re-record it because there was some flickering in the video. It's very distracting. But anyways, so to get the lock cylinder actually back into place to push down all the way, you'll want to put the key in the ignition, move it to position 3, hold down, turn the key while holding it back to position 1, and then you should be able to push down on the lock cylinder and it should fall into place, and then you'll be able to reattach the screw here. Okay, let's get this tiny screw in. Actually, somewhere in my box of tools, I have a spare Honda key. Ba-ding! And that is actually exactly like the Civic keys I have, so that's pretty cool. So that'll be a matching set. This one's gonna be a lot less sticky and will be, you know, nice and new. So, hooray! So, this feels dry. Let's put it back together. Just snaps back in. Okay, so I've got the ignition switch just held to the back here. So we should be good to re-secure these screws. I just finished the install. I reattached the ignition switch. In a future video, I want to do a really deep, thorough clean of the truck. When I first got it, I did do a clean, but honestly, there's a lot of parts I missed. It could use a really thorough, deep clean, so. Okay, there's the accessories position. Good so far. And then the crank. that is another job complete on the Acti. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much, and I will catch you in the next one.